My name is Randall Sibley and I'm with Fontaine Trailer Company. I'm here today to tell you about some of the features and benefits of the Fontaine Velocity flatbed and drop deck trailers. All steel flatbeds are not created equal. After you see this presentation, you will understand why Fontaine Velocity is the recognized workhorse of the steel platform trailer industry. It's loaded with standard features that are optional or not even available from other manufacturers, and we back our quality in writing with the best warranty in the business. With Fontaine Velocity, you get much more for your money. Let me show you what I mean. The strength and backbone of all Fontaine trailers begins here with the extreme beam. The fabricated steel extreme beams used in the Velocity trailer are constructed using top and bottom flanges, which are joined to a single one-piece web by continuous full-length wells on both sides, making it a true I-beam. These fabricated main beams are made with positive camber in order to accommodate expected loads. The Velocity features one-piece fabricated steel side rail braces and supports, which are spaced approximately 60 inches apart. These serve dual purposes, both to strengthen the main beam web as well as providing heavy-duty support for the outer side rails and deck. Additional 4-inch steel junior I-beams are strategically positioned and welded between the main beams near the lower flanges and in line with the outer side rail braces. This alignment allows for the proper transfer of loads from the outer rails back into the main frame. Unlike some manufacturers, the cross members on the Velocity are full-length 4-inch steel junior I-beams positioned on 12-inch centers for greater floor support. They are securely attached to the main beams and side rails with full welds on both the front and back side of each for optimal strength. We've added an additional cross member at the rear of the trailer to extend the life of the flooring. If your business is hauling coiled steel, the Velocity with a coil package is a great choice. The large single coil hauling package consists of 2 full-depth cross members in addition to 2 4-inch steel junior I-beam cross members welded between the main beams at the center coil hauling position. Coil packages offered by some manufacturers only provide additional support for the floor. Fontaine's design provides support for both the floor as well as the trailer frame by transferring loads back into the main beams. Fontaine has gone to great lengths to maximize our suspension and axle components performance in spread axle applications, virtually eliminating failures. In fact, we have such confidence in our design and workmanship that we offer a standard 5-year warranty package. Fontaine uses engineered single-piece web stiffeners located in high-stress areas. This design provides maximum web stiffness, virtually eliminating cracking due to flex. The Velocity Air Ride spread axle trailer comes standard with 2 sets of mud flaps providing maximum protection and safety. The strength, design, and durability of the trailer kingpin plate, and upper coupler nest is the most critical part of a semi-trailer, since this is the only connection point between a truck and fully loaded trailer. In addition to fully welding the kingpin to the kingpin plate, an additional heavy-duty longitudinal support plate is added above the kingpin and welded in order to provide maximum strength and support. The upper coupler nest and internal supports on the Velocity are designed for exceptional water drainage while minimizing entry of contaminants. For ease in coupling, the front of the kingpin plate is tapered and has additional internal longitudinal supports to reduce dishing and damage to the impact area. At Fontaine, we know that when it comes to landing gear, installation makes the difference. Our heavy-duty landing gear comes standard with a 5-year warranty. We also use heavy-duty brackets mounted high on the beams. A large cross member and additional stiffeners between the beams in this area provide for additional stability and support. In order to provide the best possible protection and finish, all Velocity trailer frames go through an inline steel shot blast to remove all loose scale and oils prior to receiving the primer coating to achieve the best adhesion. After the primer coating comes a high-quality urethane top coat. The trailer frames are primed and painted prior to the installation of flooring to ensure maximum coverage and protection. The trailers are standard with both stake pockets and pipe spools located on 24-inch centers on the sides, which are also approved load securement anchor points. These feature full continuous wells for optimal strength and safety. The outer steel rub rails are 2.5 inches wide and are recessed in the center with raised outer edges to accept and provide protection for the DOT-required conspicuity tape. For load securement, the Velocity comes standard with 12 sliding winches and full-length steel C-channel winch track on the driver's side. Standard flooring is ship-lapped 1 1/8 inch Apatong for extended life and protection from road spray. Each floorboard is secured with 2 screws per board per cross member to prevent boards from cupping with raised edges when fully seasoned. The Velocity trailer comes standard with a fully sealed modular wiring harness and LED lights featuring a 5-year warranty. The air lines and electrical harness are left unpainted for easy identification and maintenance and are installed down the center of the trailer for easy access. Each is run individually rather than bunched together. They are easily removed and are protected by rubber grommets. Thank you for joining us today as we've highlighted the features and benefits of the Fontaine Velocity family of trailers. When you buy a Fontaine, you get more than a top quality trailer. You get a company focused on the flatbed industry for more than 66 years. You get access to a comprehensive North American dealer network focused on serving your needs. Plus, you gain access to the industry's leading parts distribution center, Fontaine Part Source. We are so confident in the quality of our products that we offer the best warranty coverage in the business. 5-year suspension and wheel end coverage, 5-year landing gear coverage, 5-year lights and wiring harness coverage, and a main beam warranty that's so extreme it can only be called the Extreme Beam Warranty. Protection for as long as you own the trailer. Visit your local Fontaine dealer and put a Velocity to work today.